you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that bell down there and you can become a part of the family, a part of the party. You can be one of my VIPs. All you gotta do is subscribe and hit that notification bell. Hello, hey y'all, how are y'all doing? My name is Maggie Hardy and welcome to the party. In today's video, we are going to be doing a tutorial with the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. This is the hashtag My Holy Grail. The reason why I am using this palette today is because this is coming in the December BOXYLUXE. I do believe, and I think I'm getting one. I think everyone's getting one. Or it's a either or. Even though this palette has been out in the industry for over a year now, I wanted to put up a tutorial. So before we get into the video, you guys make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. YouTube be playing. And I don't like when YouTube be playing us, so hit that bell, subscribe. Also, you can follow me on all my social medias. Everything's linked down below in the description box. So without further ado, guys, let's just get into this tutorial. We don't want that fallout going all over the place. And this is just RCMA, no translucent powder. Okay, let's get into this. So the first shade that I'm going to dip into is going to be Bestie, which is this shade right here. You guys excuse my nails. I am growing them out because my fake nails totally destroyed me. I'm just going to go in with Morphe M518. I'm just going to use this as my transition shade. So I'm going to keep this pretty high above the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Tapered Blending by Sigma. This is the E35 brush. I'm then going to go in with Brownie Points. And then after this, I'm going to dig into Teddy Bear, so I don't have to keep bringing the palette up for y'all. Into the crease and just above the crease, and I'm just gonna go into small circular motions, and I'm gonna really dig that into my crease. And you guys can take this as pigmented as you want, as dark as you want, as light as you want. I'm also gonna dig this into my inner corner just a little bit, and also on my outer corner. What is that on my face? Get off of me. Okay, going back in with my Morphe brush and just the product that's left on the brush, I'm going to gently, very oh so gently, go in here and blend this line out. Okay, now going into Teddy Bear, which is the darkest brown in the palette, I am going to go in with my Sigma Small Tapered Blending E45 brush, which is just a very pointy brush. And I'm going to pack this into my inner corner. And then I'm also going to take this and pack it on my outer corner. And then once I get done packing, I'm going to go in here and put this right into my crease. And again, you can go as pigmented as you want. You can go as light as you want. It doesn't really matter. Going back in with my Sigma brush, with what's left on that brush, I'm going to go in here and gently also blend this into the other shadow. You guys, blending takes time, takes practice. You just gotta blend all the colors together, which I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. I do want to flick this out just a little bit though. It's a little bit too rounded for me. With my finger, I'm just gonna go in with the back of my eyes, and I'm just going to place this into the center of my eye and just a little bit in. That color is beautiful. Oh, I love it. That color is so beautiful. Okay, after that, I'm going to go in with that Teddy Bear, and I'm just going to lightly just blend this in to that chocolate shade where we had no shade on the inner and the outer corner, because I still want to, we still want to leave that dark. Well, I do. You don't have to, but I do. Oh, you guys, my phone is blowing up. Do you ever have those days where your phone's just blowing up? And just to be a little extra, I'm going to take some Cool Beans and boom, pump that right there. You guys, a lot of these steps are really unnecessary, but I'm extra. I'm just extra, okay? So just accept that I'm extra. Okay, now I'm going to take a Sephora brush. It's just a little brush like this. I'm going to take that dark brown color and I'm going to place this right in my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take and blend that out. And then just going in with my Sigma brush again, I'm going to go into Are You Kidding Me? Which is Let me just get over. Are you kidding me? Is this color right here? Let's really smoke this out. You don't have to do it this smoky if you don't want to. Guys, it's totally up to you, but I have been loving this look lately, so this is what I've been doing. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going to go in to Crystal, which is this color right here, and we will just put this on our brow bone. Going back in with a blending brush because you don't want that too harsh. You want it noticeable, but not too harsh. Ooh. Ooh, what girl was that? What is that? Okay, and then I'm gonna use the same shade for the inner corner highlight, but I am going to spray my brush. Girl. I love it. I love it. I really, really love it. And if you wanted to put liner on, you definitely could have put liner on if you want to, but me, I'm just gonna keep it a little bit simple. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. I'm not gonna throw on no lashes today because, like I said, I'm going to go to a church event later, and all I have is like the big dramatic lashes, and I really don't want to walk in there just floating my life away, so I'm just gonna stick to my regular lashes today. And then also, if y'all were curious, my lip combination, which I absolutely love right now, I could use a little bit more gloss, but I went in with this Jaunty Blue lip liner, and this is in the color Spice. And then I went in with the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Bow and Arrow. And then on top of that, I went in with my KKW. This is the cream liquid lipstick, but it's not really a lipstick. It's like a lip gloss. This color is just everything. And this is in the shade Kimberly. Yes, I overlined my lips, guys. It's okay. Everybody does it, so don't come at me for it. Other than the finished look we got going on here, it's beautiful. Did you get your hands on the Luxie box this month? Have you gotten it? Have you not gotten it? I haven't received mine yet. I haven't even got a confirmation email that it's been sent out yet. It is the 7th. It usually arrives anywhere between now and the 14th, so hopefully my US Postal Service and Boxycharm has their stuff together so I can get it and film it for you. So you guys keep an eye out for that video. I will have it up as soon as I get the box. I really don't care what day it is. As soon as I get the box, I will upload a video for y'all. So you guys, thank you for watching. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all again very, very, very soon. Bye, y'all. Oh, P.S. if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that bell down there, and you can become a part of the family, a part of the party. You can be one of my VIPs. All you gotta do is subscribe and hit that notification bell. Deuces out.